ಈಗ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಯಾವಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಇಂಪೆರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್, interrogative sentences and exclamatory sentences.
Sentence. I am a motor mechanical. Cupboard is blue. Tomorrow is a holiday. Match is started now.
Start.
Example of imperative sentence. Don't touch that. Sit down. Turn off the lights. Please give me your pen. Help me to complete this work.
Interrogative sentence. ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾತ್ಮಕ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು. What is your father name? Where are you? Who is the chief minister? Can will you give me book? Why are you logging?
Exclamatory sentence. ಉದ್ಗಾರವಾಚಕ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು. Wow, that's great. Oh no, I forgot my keys. What a big surprise. Sorry to hear sad news. Yes.